In this short video, we will see how we can duplicate a collection of objects like array modifier, but we will use geometry node. It is very easy and very simple. So for example, I have downloaded this cosmetic tube from Blender kit. As you can see, it has a separate parts and all the parts are in this collection called beauty cream tube. So we will expand our timeline and change it to geometry node editor, and we will just disable this collection. We will go to add and mesh and add a plane to call the geometry node setup. We will click on new, and here we have one group input and one group output. We will press Shift A and search for grid and place it in between of input and output. So as you can see, our plane is replaced by a grid. We can control its size and its vertices. Alright, now we'll press Shift A and search for instances on point and place it in between grid and output. After placing in between, our plane has been removed. So what we'll do, we'll just go to our outliner and just drag and drop our beauty cream tube collection. Alright, do not click on it, otherwise our setup will remove. Just directly drag and drop. So here is our collection. We will take this instance value and connect it to this instance value. Alright. After connecting, you can see we are having a lot of tubes. Alright. And we can control it by this grid node. We can control size like X and Y from here. We can see we have a vertices option. By increasing this option, we are having more and more duplicates. As you can see, as I am increasing, the instance are also increasing. Alright. So what we will do, we will set one in Y direction, because we want duplicate in X direction only. As we want 20, so we can set here 20. As you can see, they are colliding with each other, so we will increase the size in X. Alright. Now we have 20 duplicates in X direction. If you want this in Y direction, you have to set X value to 1 and Y value to 20 or whatever you want. Okay. Now we have this in Y direction. It is very easy and very fast than using an array modifier. If you want this in Z direction, what you have to do, you have to press Shift A and search for transform geometry node. Alright, and place it between grid and instance on point. What you have to do, just rotate this grid 90 in X direction. So now we have duplicates in Z direction. We have to increase its size like this. Alright, here you can see our small setup. Okay, if you go to a modify properties, you can see the geometry node setup. If you are going to apply it, then it is not going to apply. What you have to do, Shift A and just search for realize instances and place it before output node. Okay, now you have to do, just click on this icon and hit apply. So now you can select your geometry, and now you can go to edit mode. And to separate all of these, what you have to do, just select all of these, go to edit mode, press A to select all and hit P. You will have this pop up and select by loose part. It will separate all of these instances by loose part. We will press tab again to get out of edit mode. Now we have all the tubes and all the loose parts as we were having in our original collection. Alright. So guys, don't forget to like, share and put your valuable comment in the comment box. I will see you in the next video.